So we take it off now. All right, so once we take it off, we need to pour it off like this. What's up everywhere, Chef Ricardo? What's going on? Good vibes. All right. Yeah. Got garlic, everything inside of it. So this is my secret cups. All right. Yeah, man. That looking good, Chef Ricardo. That's not normal. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Okay, you can get this in the supermarket for buy, or you can go to your local farmer. We got lime and lemon, and we got a nice piece of ginger, and we have some garlic. All right, now selfish people, this is what happened. This is what we have to show the people them. Look, you have to put baking soda into the water. That's, you can understand what's going on. All right. Yeah, baking soda is in the water. And then what we do, we put apple cider vinegar also inside of it. Okay? Because if me start the show and cut up this, you're not gonna know exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing. All right, so that's why I start my show like that every time, because I want to see the audience and know exactly what I've been doing before I start the show, because I could cut up these things and just chuck them in the pot and you don't know exactly what's going on. So when you start your show the right way, telling your audience, wash your ingredients before you use it. Don't just run them underneath the tap, put vinegar upon them, or you know what I mean? Some people use salt to wash it off and all of those things. So, a good vibes. So that's why I like to start my show like this. Okay? So don't come and say, boy, Chef Rico going to put 1 cup of hot water into the pot. Alright? And you might have said that is too much water, Chef Ricardo, because I've been doing this for a very long time, so I know much water to put in it. Okay? Here it is. Cloves. Cloves is my favorite and I'm always using it. So we're gonna put a few into the water. Few grains. Alright. We got fresh ginger. Alright. Fresh ginger right here. There it is. This is lime. This is fresh lemon with the seeds, all right, into the water. Red apple. Apple is very good. Whole heap of garlic, guys. Garlic is important in this. Yeah, I wanna do that's the garlic. Alright, turn off the cooker. And it's not soup. Look like soup, but not soup, guys. Yeah. Alright, come on. Don't burn up on the setup. Don't do what Chef Ricardo doing, guys. That's a red flag. Alright. Yeah, don't do what Chef Ricardo is doing. Yeah. And these are a secret enough people don't know about, so please don't do what I'm doing. Alright? This is a magic drink for tonight. Here it is. Alright, garlic, lime and lemon and green and red apple and some cloves inside of it. Okay? Yeah. Are good vibes. 50% off on Amazon. Now look at that. You know, you can drink this one in the morning and one in the evening. So what I'm gonna do, I will drink this one tonight and one in the morning. Cool it down, put it in your fridge and drink it as a detoxing drink. Better than fizzy juice we you buy at a supermarket and the shop them. Yeah. Look at that, guys. So we take it off now. Alright, so once we take it off, we need to pour it off like this. Wet up everywhere, Chef Ricardo. What's going on? A good vibes. Alright. Yeah. Got garlic, everything inside of it. I just want to drink this 2 times a day. One in the morning and one in the evening. So that's why you see I make a lot like this, guys, because I drink one in the, I drink it cold. I don't even hot warm it or nothing. Sometimes I warm it. Yeah. Lovely. So you can see it for yourself. You see that? That looking. Look like the camera not good at the moment. All right. Yeah. Camera not good. Camera is not good at all. It blurry. Guys, camera is not good at all. Success. Get yourself a copy of the book. Alright guys, and share some love. Yeah man, a good vibes. Now a lot of people keep asking me how can I get it. It's still available guys, right over here on Amazon. 50% off. Alright. 50% off at the moment. A good vibes people. Alright, let's pour it out and show you what's going on this evening. So this is my secret cups. Alright. Yeah man, that looking good, Chef Ricardo. That's not normal. Not good vibes people. And we're gonna put a little bit of honey inside of it. You don't have to put too much. Yeah. Just a little bit, you know. Yeah. So that look nice. Perfect, innit? You wanna just drink that. You can cool it down and drink it during the day. That's what I normally do. Alright. Beautiful. Yes, Jen, everything clean and nice and fine.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight.